Want to create a stunning animated infographic in PowerPoint that looks clean, creative, and professional? In this video, we will show you step by step how to design and animate this beautiful custom layout entirely inside PowerPoint. Let's get started. First, create the base shape. Go to Shape, select the rectangle, and draw it across the slide. Choose your preferred color. Set Shape Outline to No Outline for a clean look. Add your main title inside the shape. Next, insert rounded top corner shape. Drag it and use the yellow handle to increase the curve. Select color from Shape Fill, Shape Outline to No Outline. Right-click, choose Edit Text and type your subtitle. Duplicate the shape. Go to Arrange, Rotate, select Flip vertically. Now, you have a mirror layout perfect for balance. Go to Insert, Icons, choose icons that match your theme, maybe business, data, or process icons. Resize and put here. Change their graphics theme to white and select both, then align middle and group them. Duplicate the rectangle shape, go to Shape Format, reduce its size, and add your description text. Group both together and send to back. Select the group element, go to Animation, Motion Path, select Line, adjust the red endpoint to align perfectly with the lower shape. Set the duration to 1.50 seconds. Open Effect option and remove Smooth Start and Smooth End for a steady motion. Now, select this group. Add a wipe animation. Set the direction from top and start with previous. Also set the duration to 150 seconds. Select the entire group and duplicate it. Change the icons and colors for variety. Repeat the process to create two infographic sections. Now, click Slideshow and play the animation. You will see a smooth professional downward flow, clean, modern, and ready for any business or education presentation. And that's how you create a premium style animated infographic in PowerPoint, completely from scratch. With just shape, icon, and a few animation, you can design professional looking layout that stand out in any presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Aksharika tutorials, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our next PowerPoint animation tutorial. Also tell me in the comments what kind of animation should I make next.